Hey friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's jump in. So for our intro, guitar 1's going to be playing 9D, 9G, open E, open B, and we do that 2 times. Then come back to 5D, 5G, open E, open B, and then 7D, 7G, open E, open B, and we do that 6 times. Back to the 5s, to the 7. 6 times there. That's guitar 1, let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're just going to play an E power chord 2 times, to a C power chord 2 times, to the D 2 times. Do that again, E 2 times, C 2 times, then just play the D once and then we do a slide. Now we're playing the E power chord once and we're going to palm mute the open E string. So we go and 2 and 3 and 4, and the C power chord 2 times, open E string, palm mute twice, to the D power chord 2 times, open E string, palm mute twice. Then we're going to go back to the E power chord, but do it 2 times, and back to our palm muting 6 times, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the C power chord 2 times, 2 palm mutes on the open E, then the D power chord with our slide. And they're all the parts to the intro. Now for our verse, we're going to play the open E, 7 on the A, 9 on the D. We're holding for 2 bars. Then we're going back to a D power chord, hold for 2 bars. A B power chord, we're holding for 1.5 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Play the B again. Come up to the D, back to the E, and 1.5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then we're coming back to the C chord. We're going to play the 3rd fret on the A string and the 5th fret on the B string, and then the 5th fret on the G. Then come up 2 frets to do the same thing on the D. Then we're just going back to the E power chord, 2 bars, D power chord 2 bars. Then we go to the A power chord for 2 bars. Then we're going to go to the C chord, this time 3rd fret A, 5D, 5G, 5B, 5G, move up 2 frets to the D and do the same thing, 5, 7, 7, 7B, 7G. Then we're coming back to the B power chord, we're going to play the B, 4 on the D, 4 on the G, then play the open A, 4 on the D, 4G, 4D, open A, and then back to the B power chord, which we're holding there. So. And that's our verse there. For our chorus, guitar 1 just plays our intro riff again 6 times. So our 9, 5 to 7. 6 times there. Guitar 2 will just be doing our E power chord 2 times. to our C2, D2, back to our E 2 times, to our C 2 times, our D once and a slide. Then we just play our E power chord. This is similar to the intro, palm muting on the E string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 on the C, palm muting 2, 2 on the D, palm mute. Then go back to the E power chord 2 times, 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The C 2 times, 2 palm mutes on the open E. To the D once, do a slide. Then just back to the E power chord 2 times, C 2 times, D 2 times, E 2 times, C 2 times, and back to the D and a slide. And that's the first chorus there. From there we have our verse, and that stays exactly the same. For our second chorus, guitar 1 again is going to be doing the intro riff, but do it 5 times. So 5 times there. Guitar 2 changes slightly here. We're going to play the E 2 times, C, D 2 times, back to the E 2 times, C 2 times, the D, hold, no slide here. Then go back to the E in our palm muting. 1 E, palm muting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our C 2 times, 2 palm mutes on the open E. D 2 times, 2 palm mutes on the open E. Back to our E 2 times in our palm mutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our C 2 times, 2 palm mutes. Then just hold the D. Then back to the E 2 times, C 2 times, and then the D and a slide. And they're all the parts to our second chorus. Then we have the rhythm for our solo, and we'll do the main solo at the end. We just go back to the intro riff again, guitar 1, but do it 4 times. Guitar 2 is going to do our E power chord with our palm muting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then go to the C, but just play it once, 2 palm mutes, open E, then the D 2 times, 2 palm mutes. Go back to the E once with our palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time do C 2 times, 2 palm mutes, and then the D, hold. Go back to the E again, once, and our palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To our C once, 2 palm mutes, to our D once, 2 palm mutes. Then go to the low E power chord, and our 6 palm mutes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. To our C, 2 palm mutes, to our D, and slide. And there are all the parts to our solo rhythm, and we'll look at our solo at the end. So for our bridge, guitar 1's just going to play an A power chord, hold for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then we put the slide in. Go to an E power chord, hold it for 1 and then we're going to do 5 palm mutes on the open E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then play 9 on the D, 12 on the G 2 times, and then back to 9, D and G. Then we're just palm muting the open E 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to a B power chord to the A again, holding for a bar and a half like the first one, and then do a slide. To an F sharp power chord, do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. To a D, to the A. Then we're playing the B power chord, and then we do the open A 2 times, back to the B. And that's guitar 1 for the bridge. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2 is going to play the A power chord. It's actually an A minor chord, but we're just doing the power chord at first and hold for a bar. 2, 3, 4. Then pick second G, first B, open E, first on the B. Then come up to 4 on the G, 3 on the B, 2 on the E, 3 on the B. Then we're jumping up to 9G, 9D, 9G, 9D. Then go 11G, 9D, we hold there. And then 12G, 9D, 11G, 9D, 11G, 9D. Go back to the B power chord, to the A power chord, and we'll do the same as the intro. The A, playing the A minor, G, B, E, B, to our 4G, 3B, 2 on the E, 3 on the B, and then we finish nearly the same on our F sharp power chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, to our D, to our A. Now this time we're going to go to the B power chord, then play 4D, 4G, open A, 4D, open A, 4D, back to the B power chord, 2A, 4D, 4G, 4D. And they're all the parts to the bridge. So for our outro guitar, 1's just going to do our intro fill again. We do it 6 times and we wait for 8 bars. Then we do it another 4 times there. So let's have a look at guitar 2. We're just doing the E power chord 2 times, C 2 times, D 2 times, E 2 times, C 2 times, the D in a slide. Then we're going to our palm muting. E1's palm mute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C2, 2 palm mutes, D2, 2 palm mutes, back to our E 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to our C, to our D, and then we repeat that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C, D, back to the E 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to our C 2 times, 2 palm mutes, then just play the D. Now the riff's going to change here. We're going to play the E power chord 2 times, come to F sharp and then G, and then we finish the same. C 2 times, 2 palm mutes, D 2 times, 2 palm mutes. Then we're going to play the E again 2 times, back to the F sharp, to the G, C 2 times. Then we're going to jump up to the 7th fret on the D and the G, slide up to 9, back to 7. And do that whole section 2 times there, from the E to the F sharp to the G. Then we're just going back to the first riff again, E 2 times, our palm muting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C, 2 palm mutes, D, 2 palm mutes. Do that 4 times and there's a slide, and we go back to our E riff, to our F sharp, to our G, and we continue that, and it's pretty much faded out by then. So there are all the rhythm parts. Let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with the open E string. Start with your bar in, play it, let it come out, do a slide. Then we're going to bend and release 15 on the B, and then play it again and bend 15. Then just play 15, 12, bend 14 on the G, play 15 B, 14 G. Then we're doing 12, hammer onto 14, pull off the 12, slide to 11. 9, then do 7, hammer onto 9 on the G and bend the 9, and then 7, hammer onto 9, pull off to 7, slide back to 4. And then 2, slide to 4 on the G. Then do a bend on 17B, then a tone and a half bend on 17B, then just bend 19 on the B, play 17, then bend and release 14 on the G and play 12. Then to finish off, we're going to tap with our pick on the 14, pull off to 10, pull off the 7 on the E string and do that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then just do the tapping on the 15th fret with your pick. Keep your left hand on 10 and 7 doing the same. 5, 6, then move to 17, do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 19 the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're just coming up and bending on 22 on the E. And do a slide there, and they're all the parts to the solo. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed a 1,000,000 guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.